PX Network KYC Verification Guide, how to complete your PX Network KYC. If you're mining this project, you need to do this to be able to migrate your token. So here is the latest update. Let's check the announcement. Once you click on the announcement, you can see dear miners, we hope the KYC migration is running smoothly for everyone. This process is being done step by step to ensure fairness, security, and a smooth experience. Please stay active, keep mining daily, and keep your app updated for the latest improvement. Thank you for your patience and support. For you to be able to have this KYC, you need to make sure you update your app. And if you have not started, the link will also be in the video description. Do where to start and do where to join our WhatsApp for more updates. So let's go back. You click on these three lines at the top left. Tap on this line here. Once you tap on it, you can now locate the KYC verification, which is this. You tap on it. So once you tap on it, they said account verification helps us keep PX network safe and fair. You heard it. So you must do your KYC to keep your accounts safe and fair for everyone. So for you to start, you can now say start KYC. You have mined 5 days continually. Start KYC to secure your account. So you click on get started here. Allow it to load. So now I have KYC already started. This is the step and this is the procedure. Look at this now. It says start KYC. You have mined 5 days continually. So you must be on active mining for 5 good days. If you miss any day, you start afresh again. So you must make sure that if you farm for today, this particular one will tick good, will tick green for you. If you farm the next day to tick, farm the next day to tick. This is how the 3 dots will be completed before you can now proceed to the main KYC. Look at what they said here. Complete a 5 days continuous mining streak. If you miss a day, progress will restart. After successful completion, step 2 will unlock. Did you see the criteria? This step 2 will unlock after you have met this first criteria of being on a continuous mining streak. So you must make sure if you start, you keep it until 5 days. So the second criteria here is referral requirements. You need 3 referrals to continue. Step 3 will unlock once referrals are verified. This second criteria will be unlocked once you have 3 referrals, and those 3 referrals will still verify their accounts before you can receive this stuff. So they said here you need 3 referrals to continue. Step 3 will unlock once referrals are verified. If those 3 referrals you have has not verified the account, you will still not be able to continue. So their KYCs of a thing is becoming stressful. You have to wait for your referrals to be verified before you can proceed. Now, once you meet up with this second criteria, the next one is profile verification. You are going to put your name, your country, and verify your email with OTP. You can also update your email if needed. That is the third step. Now the fourth step is the phone verification. Add your phone number and verify it using OTP to further secure account. This thing is done step by step. One will finish before the next one. Now you have to do the social media verification. You link your social media account to confirm your online presence identity. And the last but not the least is the selfie and AI face verification. You will also need to capture your face, and your AI will verify you are a real woman, not a bot. So these are the steps you need to take to make sure that you do your KYC. If you find out that this requirement is what you can do, go ahead and do it. And if it is not what you can do, you move on. There are a lot of projects out there. So that is it for this video. For those that wish to start, the link will be in the video description. Start and be active. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.